Alright, so I recently picked up the KZ Pro and I have been using it for a few days now, unboxing it, testing it out with music, gaming, everything. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how it feels to use, and most importantly, how it actually sounds. Let's get into it. First things first, let's open this up. KZ has kept the packaging pretty clean and simple. Nothing too fancy, but it feels solid for the price. Here's the star of the show, the earphones themselves. The build quality actually feels pretty premium, way better than what you would expect at this price point. Along with the IEMs, you get the cable, a few pairs of extra ear tips in different sizes, a SIM ejection tool, and the manual. Pretty standard stuff, but everything you need is right there in the box. Now talking about the design, honestly this is one of the things that stood out to me. The faceplate has this shiny, crescent kind of look to it. It actually looks really nice. The shape is ergonomic too, so it sits in your ears pretty comfortably. I wore this for a couple of hours at a stretch and didn't really feel any fatigue or irritation. The cable itself feels decent, not premium, but it's not flimsy either. No microphonic issues that I noticed while walking around. Now let's talk about the part everyone actually cares about, sound quality. I tested these with a bunch of different genres. The bass on these is honestly pretty punchy. It's not overpowering, but you can feel it especially in the bass heavy tracks. Vocals came through clear, nothing muddy or washed out. Mids are pretty balanced too, and the highs have a nice bit of sparkle without becoming harsh or sharp, even at the higher volume. The most advanced feature of this handfree is that it comes with a tuning function. You can adjust different frequencies according to your need, which have like 4 different options. You can make combos as per your need from low to high frequency. For the price, honestly, I was kind of impressed with how detailed the sound felt. Basically, I bought this for the gaming purpose. For gaming, played a few rounds of PUBG Mobile, and honestly, the positional audio was pretty solid. I could hear footsteps and directional cues clearly, which really helps in competitive games. There's no noticeable delay, so if you are into games with wired earphones, these holds up pretty well. Overall, using the Caster Pro day to day has been pretty smooth experience. It's comfortable for long sessions, the sound quality punches above its price, and it works well whether you are just chilling with the music or gaming. Obviously, it's not going to compete with earphones that cost 3 or 4 times as much, but for what you are paying, this feels like a really solid deal. So that's my honest take on the KZ Caster Pro. If you are looking for a budget IEM that actually sounds good and feels comfortable, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments if you want a detailed comparison with any other budget IEMs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.